one of the unique temples in Karnataka, Sri Mallikarjuna Temple, Sudi. The inscriptions here say that Mallikarjuna Temple is also called as Akeshwara Temple because it was built in dedication to Queen's respect. It's also called as Achaleshwara Temple. Mallikarjuna Temple is an ancient temple in Sudi where puja is carried out every day till date. This temple is also highly renovated. A small idol of Nandi is placed between the swag and the door. Makara Torana is placed in front of the sanctum, dedicated to Lord Shiva. The porch at the front is open on 3 sides, which is supported by 10 pillars. There are 8 pillars to support the main roof and 2 pillars to support the porch. When we look at the pillars here, they have this leaf-like image on them. If you notice them clearly, you'll find that they are similar to the image of the pillars of Lakkundi. Sheshashayana Vishnu in Sri Mallikarjuna Temple. On the other side, there is an idol of Sheshashayana Vishnu inside the southern part of the temple, where Vishnu is leaning on the left side, having sevas from Bhudevi and Sridevi is special. And there is a drawing of all the deities along with all 10 avatars of Lord Vishnu surrounding the idol. It is also be said that this is one of the finest sculptures of its type. You can also see Brahma present in the navel of the idol Vishnu. It is hard that you find a temple like this, wherein Lord Shiva's temples, the idol of Vishnu is also worshipped. The structure of the mantapa on the pillar itself is astonishing. The way it was created by maintaining the gap between the pole in the middle is amazing. Before the creation of the mantapa, did they sculpt the pillar in a circular shape, or did they create the mantapa first and then sculpted the pillar in the circular shape? These questions are not only intriguing but also make you wonder how could it have been created. There is an idol of Shiva and Parvati inside the northern part of the temple. The idol where Chaturbhuja Shiva is in a standing posture with Parvati on his left hand is glamorous. With Nandi and Ganapati idols as its neighbors, the halo has paintings of deities around it.